My name is Petra Green. I'm the head of the PTC and also the tutor of the course Introduction to Project Management. I've spent many years working in publishing at small, medium and larger companies. I've run lots of different projects, mostly in digital, on websites, launching apps and games, but also organising presence at book fairs like Frankfurt and London Book Fair, acquiring lists, merging with other companies and a whole host of other events and anniversary projects as well. So the course is split across 2 mornings, and we basically look at all the stages of a project, the project life cycle, from establishing a team, getting everybody together, budgeting, scheduling, running through the project, and then closing it as well. 2 of the main skills that a good project manager needs are communicating and time management. So we spend a fair bit of time during the course on those 2 areas. The course is designed to be very interactive and to help you build your confidence as a project manager. So we look at the latest software and tools, tips and techniques that might be helpful for you. And we also have plenty of time for questions for you to ask about your own particular issues. So I hope it sounds interesting, and I look forward to seeing you on the course.